Friends, we are now gearing up for our winter season flowering plants growing. You can see the preparation, how we are preparing for our winter season flower growing. They are reporting chrysanthemum plants. We have more than 5,000 pots of chrysanthemum. We have grown in 5-inch pot, now transplanting into 8-inch pot. You can see Muntu Ghodai, Maruf, and other three gardeners are in full swing for preparation for winter season flowering plants. Here we can see we have grown the cuttings of pom pom and giant variety. We grow around 4,500 of pom pom and 500 of giant varieties. Here you can see the soil we have prepared around 2 months back. In this soil you can see, and here the cuttings are grown, and after the grown cuttings we will distribute among the students. And here lots of plants you can see, and all are going to be ready for the coming winter season. And this is the October month, and in December month all they will flower. And after repotting, water giving is very important thing. You have to water it very judiciously. And the excess cutting you can see we have grown on the rooftop in sand, and they will be distributed among the students. And all the plants you can see very healthy. And we grow more than 4,500 pots, so we don't want much flower. We only need 300 to 500 flowers from each plant, because if you want 1,000 to 2,000 flowers, then you have to grow the cuttings in the month of June. But we have done grown the cuttings in the month of September. That's why we don't need much of the flowers, but we need lots of pot for our garden. Where we have the garden area also around 5 bighas of garden land area also. There we will be sowing all kinds of season flowers. That seeds are already sown, and they are going to be sprouted, and they will be grown very soon. Here we can see they are very busy, and I'll show you how to water them. The readily you can see how to watering is very important, because whenever you are transplanting the plant, you have to water it very judiciously. At least 8 to 10 days you have to water it judiciously. Once the plant grown in a big size, then we'll start fertilizing them properly. But while just reporting, we don't add any kind of fertilizer. So here you can see we are putting it in open sun here. And after 7 to 10 days, when the plants have taken root properly, then we'll add fertilizer, especially basically mustard cake liquid fertilizer and some other fertilizer also. And here you can see some of the other cuttings have already grown. Coleus and dahlias, all cuttings are grown here. And I'll show you how to water them, how to transplant small cuttings into 1-inch pot or thumb pot. They'll also see. Please watch the entire video. You will learn lots of things in this video. See, they are preparing, and the soil already 70% soil, 30% vermicompost, and little bit of super phosphate we have added, and little bit of hornmeal, and a little bit of small amount of thymate also we have added. Watering is very important. You have to water it half the pot, because you have to water in such a way that water should not reach at the bottom of the pot. They should reach up to the half of the pot, so that the water can be soaked immediately. And you have to water it every day, a little amount of water. After 7 to 8 days, then you can water it properly. Now Montu Ghorai is showing you after taken root the cuttings. You have to transplant in thumb pot or 1-inch pot. In only plain garden soil we are transplanting it. We won't add any kind of fertilizer in it. After that they take roots properly, if we transplant it in 3-inch pot, after 3-inch pot repotting, after 7 days we start fertilizing them and start pinching them. So this is the technique of growing chrysanthemum, of dahlia cutting, these kinds of things. So this is very important, and we are preparing, gearing up in full swing for our winter season flowering plants. We will plant more than 10,000 of 7,000 season flower plants, and around 5,000 of chrysanthemum, dahlias, and lots of other season flower plants. I will upload a video after the preparation is done. So now time to water it properly. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.